Start by launching your internet browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once you are there, you will see the login option in the upper right corner of the home page. Clicking on the login button is your first step toward accessing the many features that WordPress offers. After you initiate the login process, you will be given the option to continue with Google. Select this option to make your sign-in process quicker and more secure. When you click on Continue with Google, a list of your available Google accounts will appear, allowing you to choose the account you wish to use. This streamlined authentication method eliminates the need to remember an additional username and password while keeping your account secure and easily accessible. Once you are logged in, your next goal is to find the Tools section. This section is a central hub within your web dashboard where you can manage various features that enhance your website. The Tools option can usually be found along the top menu or within the sidebar navigation panel. Navigating to this section sets the stage for modifying how your content is shared and interacted with by your audience. Within the Tools section, locate and click on the Sharing Buttons option. This part of the dashboard is designed to allow you to control the social features that appear on your website. It is an essential setting if you want to encourage your readers to share your content across different social media platforms. Enabling sharing options can help boost your visibility and attract more visitors to your site. As you examine the sharing button settings, remember to take note of the available controls that manage different elements of shareability. On the sharing buttons page, you will find the option to turn on page likes. This specific setting allows visitors to register their appreciation for your pages by simply clicking a like button. Activating this feature can help you gauge audience interest and increase engagement on your website. When users see that pages have liked counts, it not only improves the social proof of your content, but also offers you valuable feedback on what resonates with your audience. The final and crucial step in the process involves clicking on the Save Changes button. By doing so, you confirm your new settings and ensure that page likes are activated on your website. It is important to complete this step so that all the changes you have made are securely recorded and take effect immediately. Without clicking save, any adjustments to the sharing settings may not be applied, which could lead to a missed opportunity for increased interaction on your site. This systematic approach, from logging in on WordPress through selecting the appropriate sharing options until saving your changes, equips you with an effective method to enhance user engagement on your site. Every step is designed with simplicity in mind, making the overall experience intuitive for both new users and seasoned administrators alike. Enjoy the benefits of a more interactive website as your audience begins to share and like your pages, helping you to build a dynamic and engaging online presence.